Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So a really generous and very nice basket was received by me from this company called Kryolan. You guys probably know about them. They do the amazing TV paint sticks. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get a very flawless and nice and effortless non-cakey looking base that stays on all day using their products. So if you guys would like to know how I did this, please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna be using these TV paint sticks today by Kryolan, and yeah, that's probably the last product that comes to your mind when I talk about, or when someone mentions, non-cakey makeup. Like, this is a misconception that you cannot get a flawless, less cakey look with these sticks, but you actually can. It's all about the technique. Of course, if you go overboard with it, it's gonna look cakey, but today I'm going to show you a way to use it in which you're not gonna be you're not gonna end up with really cakey looking skin or really visible pores or anything like that. So let's get started. So as you guys can see, this is how my skin looks washed and moisturized. I have a few bumps and pimples here and there, a little bit of redness, the usual dark circles, all of that jazz. So for skin prep, I'm going to take the Kryolan HD micro primer, and this is an amazing product. I've tried it before, and I'm just gonna put that on the more porous areas areas of my face and just massage it into my skin, making sure that it gets absorbed nicely. And to ensure that it's right in there, I'm gonna take the catalog and just make sure it's dry. And then I'm taking my TV paint stick in the shade FS45, and a really cool trick to make your base look non-cakey is to put a bit of that primer on the top of the stick and mix it with your finger. The warmth of your finger will make the product more liquidy, and then you can simply take a brush and buff all the product all the way down your neck. Don't forget your neck, please. Don't forget your neck. And this is how you can make it less drying, because some people complain that the foundation stick is too drying. So a technique for buffing is to go in circular motions. That's very, very important. And then and also, you don't want to really get in there, you want to be really light-handed and patient. And then, so that I can take away the excess product on my skin and avoid that cakiness, I took a damn beauty blender and I'm just making it go all over my face, bouncing it, beauty blending. And then for the areas that I left, the spots that need concealing, I'm taking a fluffier brush and slowly buffing the target areas of my skin. To make sure those spot concealed areas are not very visibly spot concealed, I'm just taking my big buffing brush and tapping, not going in round motions, and just going over that. And then I'm taking this orange corrector number 508. It's also a stick. Oh my god, these sticks last forever. And I'm just gonna do the other eye and do that magic, and voila. Again, to take away the excess product and still hide that discoloration, I took a beauty blender and beauty blended under my eyes. And then I'm taking the same, actually no, this is not the same. I'm taking the same brush, cleaned, and then I'm taking the shade N2, which is a more peachy undertone concealer, and going over that. And this is also a paint stick, by the way. And then I'm beauty blending again. And then what I'm doing is I'm taking FS45, which is the shade I used all over my face. And like you can see, this is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going over that area to brighten it up, because N2 was a bit too pink for me. And then next I'm taking this translucent powder, which was giving me a bit of trouble to open. And I'm taking my beauty blender again and going to be baking the areas of my face that are slightly oily. Now that the summers are approaching, we know that some areas of our face can just be a bit troublesome and we need to extra set them. So I'm just making sure that those areas are totally waterproof, sunproof, sweatproof, all kinds of proof. This translucent powder, I kid you not, it's one of my holy grails. I was running out of it. Thank you guys for sending this to me. And then I'm taking a fluffier brush after taking the buffing brush and just, going over that. And so that I don't look super powdery, I'm taking my beauty blender and just going over my entire face very lightly. And then I'm taking this blush palette by Kryolan and I am going to be, dancing with the blush palette, and then taking this really beautiful color in the palette called Youth Red. This is such a pigmented palette. I had to like tap some off, and look at what I did to my cheek. I still got a bunch on there. So a solution for this is to take your foundation brush that you've already used and just go over the areas. Oh, sorry, excuse the cats. And you can go over the areas with that brush. That motion was for contouring. Yes, to contour my balloon face, I just took that more cool toned brown color. Okay guys, so ये है मेरा base. Now I'm gonna go and do the rest of my face, my eyes, my lips, my highlight, everything like that, and be right back. I also then realized that I could be cutting my contour with the translucent powder, which is something I love doing, and then I'm taking that same foundation brush and dusting away the bake underneath my contour. And this is the finished look, you guys. If you'd like to see a tutorial on these eyes, you can watch my next video in which I'll be doing an in-depth eye makeup tutorial on this look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you so much. Bye. I got you.